Yo, what's going on? I'm back. So, this video, boys, it's in a game. Yes, sir. But the video is good as hell. Okay? Let me just say that. It's in a game, but we're probably going to lose some niceness. But if we win, hey, I can get ads. No, I can't. I don't even. My YouTube channel is dead as frick, so, I mean, could you move, sir? Thanks. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Get your little drone booty out of my face. Or we'll have serious problems, mister. Way to staying alive. Such a dumb frickin' joke. No, you reckon you could just hide like right here? So, none of our cams are destroyed, so I can get an easy peek. Okay. What? Ah, there we go. Now two. They will not see me. Oh, hi, Mark. I knew I was gonna die. Because Habana's just being a little batch and just... Boys, we have taken the fattest L of our life. Oh my god! We're bad. It's a 4v5. Why do I always get these? I hate my life. Hey, you just headshot him. It did no damage. What the fudge? What the fudge? This game is so dumb. Did you see that? Literally headshot her. These hitboxes. That was a clean headshot. Did not die. Damn, only 3 kills. Oh, I had 5. Some better. You guys are just shite. You have some guy carry it, because you guys are bad. Alright, that's it. Sorry, I mean, tried to get